how friends with benefits can ruin your dating progress. Yo, what's up guys, it's Pat, and in this video I want to dive deeper into the why and how having friends with benefits can strangle your whole game. And therefore, of course, I want to provide you with practical tips you can implement to reshift and create a healthy mindset. We all know having F-buddies can be a very good thing. If you don't have this luxury problem, make sure to create it by clicking the link up there where I give you 4 tips of how to get F-buddies. But on the other hand, we as well know that having an F-buddy or having multiple F-buddies can come with certain deficits. And one of those is this comfort cushion, you know, this feeling of having a soft little pillow at home, and no matter what, if for example you're going out, hit the clubs, and there's a little obstacle coming into your way, means it's not an 100% easy pull. Hey, I'm not this kind of girl, or I have friends, I don't want to leave my friends, blah, blah, blah. Easy objections you can basically solve with just a little game. Then you're of course backing off, and just because of this little stone in your path, because you know, hey, you know what, it just takes me one message to text my F-buddy and I'm getting laid, you know, I don't have to solve this objection. And you're getting lazy and you start to not give 100%, which can of course decrease your game process in the long run, and you get too dependent on this one girl you have as a F-buddy, and you start to get more needy. And this relationship of course depends what you agreed on. If it's a friends with benefits, means you're doing as well non-sexual activities with her once in a while, or just text her, getting laid, pulling up to your trousers again and leave without sleeping over, with all these things you're doing basically in a relationship, then of course you're getting more and more needy, and she will notice that you don't have any other options, and she will think this is not what I signed up for, and she will back down, you know, as well, and suddenly leaves you. So tip number 1 I have for you guys is to adopt a stoic perspective. Means everything in this world is borrowed. You don't own anything. That means either materialistic or this F-buddy you have or F-buddies you have will vanish one day. It depends which phase she's in. Nothing is meant forever, you know. If she finds herself in a phase of suddenly, hey, I want to have a relationship, I want to have something serious, then she will leave your ass. Develop this scarcity mindset that nothing is forever and nothing is permanent. Tip number 2 is showing gratitude without attachment. Of course, you should appreciate the current benefits you have from this relationship, but keep in mind that you should emotionally detach yourself to not becoming too needy, too available, and too dependent. Now, to give you an analogy, see it as a hotel. You know, it's a raining day outside. You can always turn and go back to your hotel, and it's comfortable there. You know, you have everything you need. But at the end of the day, it's not your home. Means it has a due date, and it's not meant forever that you're staying in this hotel. Tip number 3, leverage fear of regret. Ask yourself, if this arrangement, this relationship will end tomorrow, would you regret of not meeting up other women and therefore not putting in enough effort in this whole process you're going through? And this I have many times with students, with guys out there who, as soon as they learn game, they settle with the next best girl they get, they completely stop gaming, and after half a year, after just a couple months, they return back with their heads down. And trust me, I can tell you that 99% of you guys out there will regret that they didn't put in enough effort. And of course, to summarize this whole video, you have to see these F-buddy relationships as something with an expiring date. It's a good phase to have. Of course, you can benefit in many ways of it, but of course, keep in mind to not self-sabotaging your own game and their own process you're going through. Now that was it guys. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. We see each other in the next one. Peace out.